Hi everyone, welcome to bitsCrunch Washtrading Analysis series. We have yet another famous NFT collection which are VeeFriends. Gary Vee is the creator of VeeFriends and it has over 10,000 plus NFT collections. All VeeFriends token owners will get a 3 years access pass to VeeCon. With that being said, let's get started with the analysis. Let's select Ethereum under blockchain and VeeFriends under collections. Let's scroll further to have a look at the total trade volume, which is 123 million in USD, out of which 1 million in USD have been involved in wash trading. 10.4k is the total transaction so far, and the wash traded transactions are 534. As we have already mentioned, there are over 10,000 plus NFT collections, of which 369 NFTs have been involved in wash trading. Let's scroll down to have a look at the wallet details. Total wallets count till date is 8.23k, of which 287 wallets have been involved in wash trading. If you see here, approximately 8% of NFT's price have been inflated. Here we have the price manipulation data of wash traded NFTs, where we have the token ID, start price, end price, wash traded count, and inflated price. We also have the analytics of top sold NFTs, top wash traded NFTs sorted by their token IDs, price in USD as well as in Ethereum. With that, we come to the end of the wash trading analysis series. Thanks for watching this video. Do follow bitsCrunch on YouTube, Twitter for more updates.